To go to Canvas, go to portal.iit.edu. Next, go to Tools on the left side menu. Search for Canvas in the second search bar. Find Canvas and click on the star and menu icon on the right side of the screen. That will add Canvas as a shortcut to the left side menu for easier access in the future. You can also click on Edit on the left side menu to rearrange the order of your shortcuts and bring Canvas to the top of the menu if you want. Now find and click on the Canvas shortcut that you just created. This is your Canvas dashboard. You can find all your published courses here. If you scroll down, you can find your unpublished courses too. Published courses are those that the students can see, and unpublished courses are those that the students cannot see in their dashboard. We'll discuss this in more detail later in this video. If you go to Account on the left side menu, you have access to your Canvas profile details. You can upload a professional photo of yours, manage your course notifications, manage your profile such as adding a bio and your photo to it, view files, manage your profile settings such as your email address and phone number, and the QR code required to log into Canvas mobile app. If you go to Courses on the left side, you will find all your published and unpublished courses. But if you click on All Courses at the top, you will find all your current and previous courses here. You can use this to access your previous courses materials. Calendar is a tool that helps both instructors and students keep track of important dates and deadlines within their course. Inbox is a Canvas messaging tool that allows users to communicate within the Canvas LMS. It functions similarly to an email system but is designed specifically for course-related communications. You can add recipients, a subject, and the body of your message here. It also allows you to attach files to your message. Now let's go to a coursing dashboard and perform a few major tasks together. The first thing to do in your course is to check its status on the upper right side of your course homepage. You need to make sure that the course is published. Otherwise, your students won't be able to find your course in their dashboard. To publish your course, hover over the course status drop-down and open it. Select Publish. You might be asked to select the home page for your course, which means the first page that the students will see when they open your course. For example, I choose Course Activity Stream and click Choose and Publish. This can be changed anytime later by going to Choose Home Page on the right side menu. For example, I change it to Course Modules now. This is my new homepage. Now you can see the course is published. That means all your students will find it in their dashboard. Now let's create an announcement. Go to Announcements on the left menu. Click on plus announcement button on the upper right corner. Type a title and description for your announcement. Attach files to your announcement if you want. Decide which section to post the announcement to. You can set additional options to your announcement, such as allowing others to comment, like, and reply to the announcement. You may also make it available from and until a specific date and time. Click Publish when you're done. That will send the announcement to the students within the course as well as their emails. Click on the View as a Student button on the upper right corner to see what your students can see. That's a very useful tool to make sure you're sharing the right materials with your students. To exit the student view, click on the Leave Student View button on the lower right corner. Now let's create a discussion. Go to Discussions on the navigation menu. Click on the plus discussion button on the upper right. Fill in the name and descriptions field. Attach a file if you wish. Check additional options such as graded discussion, allow liking, etc. When you're finished, click Save and Publish to make the discussion available to the students, or click Save if you do not want to publish it yet. Now you can find your thread on the main page. In case you save the discussion, you can publish it by clicking on a no sign. Now the thread is available to your students. You may also use the View as a Student button to make sure your students can see it. Next up, Assignments. To create an assignment, click on Assignments on the navigation menu. Click on the plus assignment button on the upper right corner. Type a name and description for your assignment. Set points possible. Choose a grade type. Change submission type to either one of these options. Check a few online entry options, such as text entry, media recordings, and file uploads. You can also restrict upload file types if you want. Specify the number of allowed attempts. You can either limit to a certain amount or choose unlimited. Check additional options in accordance to your needs, such as group assignment, peer review, or anonymous annotations. When you're done, click Save and Publish, or Save depending on whether the students can take it or not. Now you can find your assignment details on this page, and edit it in case needed. Now let's add some content to your course. There are many ways to do this. The most common way is to create a module. To do so, go to Modules on the navigation menu. This is where you add modules to your course that works similar to folders in Blackboard. Click plus module to create a new module. Type a name for it and click Add Module. This is a module. You can even drag and drop items directly from your computer into your module. Another way of adding items to your module is to click on the plus on the upper right corner of your module frame. Open the drop-down and choose whatever you want to add. For example, you can choose from those assignments that are already created in your course. Select the assignment from the list and add indentations if you need. You can even use the same method to add your discussions to your module. You can have as many modules as you need and add different contents to those modules. If a module is unpublished like this one, the students won't be able to see the items inside even if you publish every single item in that module. In order to publish a module, click on a no sign on the upper right corner of your module and click Publish Module on all items. This will publish the whole module including all the items inside. Now let's see how this works from a student's point of view. Since all the modules and items are published, you can see them all in a student view. Now if you go back to the instructor view and unpublish a few items, and then go back to the student view, you can see that the students can no longer find the items that you unpublished. Before wrapping this up, let's take a quick look at how quizzes work in Canvas. To create a quiz, go to Quizzes in the navigation menu. Click plus quiz. Type a name for your quiz. Set points for it. Specify how you would like the grades to be displayed. Scroll down and click Build to start building your quiz. Here you can give a title to your quiz, add instructions to it, and click the blue plus in the middle of the screen to start adding different types of questions to your quiz, such as true or false, essay questions, fill in the blanks, multiple choice, and many more. After customizing the questions, click on Return on the upper right corner of the screen to go back to your quiz module. You can publish your quiz whenever you added all your questions, or you can continue working on it to make it ready. This was a quick tutorial on how to perform a few major tasks in Canvas that were also covered in more details in our Canvas workshops. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy building your course.